You know what's wrong with the affiliate programs or partner programs or associate programs that you're involved with? It's probably you. I know what you're thinking, Seth, that's harsh. It is, but here's the reality. We sign up for these things. We're excited about the products. It always goes without saying, but I'm going to say it just to be sure, that you should never recommend a product just to get a referral commission or anything like that. You should recommend a product because you love the product. Then as a secondary benefit, you can go research and find out if that product that you love that you're already going to recommend happens to be willing to give you a little thank you in exchange for referring people to them. So, the problem with the referral programs or the affiliate programs that most of us join is us. And here's what I mean by that. You know, we usually get involved, we get excited, somebody gives us a demo and shows you what the opportunity is, and you think, oh man, I'm going to refer everyone in the whole world to this app, and I'm going to make millions of dollars, right? But the reality is, first of all, we're not going to make millions of dollars off of any affiliate programs, most likely. But more importantly than that, what happens is we get excited about it in the beginning, and then it kind of fades, right? And then along the way, we're recommending people, but we can't be bothered to go look for our affiliate link, so we tell them to just go sign up, and then we're not even getting credit when we took the time and went to the trouble of getting it all set up. So the answer, of course, is to be a whole lot more intentional about these things. And, you know, I'm creating this video at the very end of 2019. We're in the final month. We're in the home stretch, right? And I'm thinking about things we can do differently, better, what have you, in the following year and the year to come, and I know a lot of you are. So let's take a look at the associate program that my friends at Qbox by Carltree have. Their product is at such a low price point that it's almost insane to me that they even bother paying out an associate commission, but, I think it speaks to their culture as a company, and it's one of the things I really love about them is they really want to work together with accountants and bookkeepers. If you're working in QuickBooks Desktop, you're insane not to use Qbox. Let's put it that way. So now let's take a look at the opportunity for accountants and bookkeepers who are the most likely ones to recommend Qbox to their clients because of the whole scenario I just described. It makes everybody's life easier who's in the mix. Right? So here's what they offer. It's I've got the basic layout here on my screen. When you sign up for Qbox, you're paying per folder. So think of each folder as each company, right? So each client I serve has their own folder. If that client has 3 companies, I'm still paying for just the one folder. So what's the cost? The cost is going to be $12 a month, okay? And the payout that Qbox offers is 10% of that, right? So let's put the 0.1 here and say the $12 times the 10% gives me $1.20. Okay, and now let's just lay the numbers out. Keep it simple. Again, it's not going to change your life much, but if you take the time to lay something out like this and think it through, and then look back at this monthly or even more often, that's what keeps it top of mind so that you remember, so that you're aware. And awareness is probably 90% of it, right? It's 90% mental. Just being aware that whenever the opportunity is there, you can recommend Qbox, have them use your affiliate link when they sign up, and then you have a residual recurring stream of revenue. It may not be or look like a lot on its own, but these things can add up, especially if you're constantly referring people to sign up for something like this. So let's say we're starting with 5 clients, right? And let's say we think we can get 2 new monthly signups, right? So 2 new signups each month. So we'll just set that equal. I'll copy that onto month 12. Okay, and so the cumulative is going to be last month's cumulative plus this month's new, right? Copy that out. So by the end of 1 year of doing this, we'll have potentially 27 clients that we've referred into Qbox. The first thing, of course, to do is, if you haven't already done this, is go through all your existing clients who are in QuickBooks Desktop and get them signed up for Qbox. Tell them they're insane not to, right? And now we're just going to take the total cumulative clients that are in Qbox times the dollar payout to see what the dollars look like. Now, like I said, not going to change your lifestyle, but it's something. And let's write the formula so that I can copy it over correctly. So I need to hold cell D3 constant here in this formula. Put dollar signs in front of the references. Now I can copy it across. And in a single year, just for referring somebody, just for mentioning, hey, you should sign up for Qbox because it's going to make your life easier, my life easier, and everybody else who's involved's life is going to get easier. You make an extra $230. Like I said, a couple extra gifts at the end of the year. The point really that I want to underscore here is that you should take the time to look at this stuff. You should take the time to look at every app that you use and love, find out if they have an affiliate program, because you're going to recommend the app anyway, so you might as well, if you know, and get signed up for it, and then create some kind of a process where you have all of your affiliate links handy at your fingertips at the ready, so that when somebody happens to be talking to you about it from my mobile device in 2 seconds, I actually keep them in an Airtable base. In 2 seconds, I can pull up my affiliate link anywhere that I am and email it to the person and say, here, I'm going to send you my affiliate link. Use that to sign up. They'll send me a thank you, and you're going to love the app. And that's the bottom line. That, my friends, is my message to you for today. The problem with associate programs and affiliate programs is usually us, because we're not taking the time to be intentional. You have to be intentional. You have to take the time to structure something so that you're focused on it, so that you follow up on it, and because you have to manage it. And if you're going to manage it, the only way you can manage it is you have to measure it. And that's what something like I've just shown you on my screen will help you to do. That, my friends, is all I've got for you for now. As always, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you on the web.